Hair straightener comb.
Tired of spending hours straightening your hair, only to have it frizz up by lunchtime? Introducing the hair straightener comb, your new best friend for sleek, smooth hair in minutes. With its innovative design, the hair straightener comb combines the benefits of a brush and a straightener, making it easy to use and effective. Just glide the comb through your hair and watch as it transforms your locks from frizzy to fabulous. No more burns, no more tangles. In just a few minutes, achieve that salon-fresh look right at home. Perfect for all hair types, our hair straightener comb is designed for versatility. Whether you have thick, curly hair or fine, wavy strands, it's made for you. Key features include fast heating technology, ready in just 30 seconds. Adjustable temperature settings, customized to your hair type. Lightweight, ergonomic design, easy to handle. I love my hair straightener comb. It saves me so much time and my hair feels healthier than ever. Say goodbye to bad hair days. Grab your hair straightener comb today and discover the secret. And order now on Dibba Mart. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, subscribe, and follow for more videos. Effortless styling.